Shankar, I think net, and this is a common misconception that people have that GCCs are going to take away business from services companies or that, existing collaborations and partnership model will be impacted. I think it's exactly the opposite. I think GCCs in many ways are an enabler of growth, which means net, there is going to be more growth coming in for the organization and therefore more demand. Today, we talk about this notion of best sourcing. It's a concept that Answer talks about very openly with Accenture. And the idea of best sourcing is organizations for their growth need to use the right models for what is right at that point. So when it is owned capabilities, critical data, consumer focused, product led, then it comes into GCC. If it is largely specialized, automation, COE led, then it goes to services players. If it is extremely focused vertical functions that do one thing, or it is some sort of recurring operations function, it goes to a SaaS business because you sort of build enough intelligence in doing it over and over again. So I think there is a very clear notion of best sourcing. Work with whoever is right for a particular kind of job, and don't reinvent the wheel with trying to build everything or trying to buy things that should be perhaps owned. Many organizations are now starting to come to terms with best sourcing, right? And so if you look at Answer, our own position is that we don't compete with services companies. We partner with them, and we're more of a collaborative ecosystem player with services companies. In the past, we've worked with all the top services companies in the industry, right? So that's our view. So I think for SaaS companies specifically, they should look at GCCs as fast growth organizations that have very specific needs, but also sometimes will look for solutions that SaaS companies can deliver, right? Nothing is different. And in many ways, GCC has become an easier way to sell into a large enterprise because, they are a lot more nimble, moving faster, isolated within that sort of space and so on.